Oscar. What? What? Well, tell me. Tell me, boss. What's the move? No. We're not going to get... We got the sprinkler going. You're going to get dirty. Hi. Are you pouring, son? Buster. What? Are you spoiled? Ridge. Ridge, are you spoiled? No, was it yeah? Tell Mama. I'm spoiled. Say my name is Ridge. 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 Oh, what you smell, buddy? That fresh air? Oh, look at him sniffing. Oh. Kiss.
He did.
Give Mom a kiss. Love you, Ridge.